Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fitness 360. If you're on a mission to build some serious muscle mass and you're wondering just how many pull-ups you should be doing daily, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the art and science of pull-ups, revealing key strategies to elevate your pull-up routine and maximize muscle growth. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to understand the mechanics and benefits of pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength and muscle mass. They primarily target your back, biceps, and shoulders. But how many pull-ups should you be doing to achieve those muscle gains? Let's find out. The number of pull-ups you should do daily depends on several factors. First, your fitness level plays a crucial role. If you're a beginner, your approach will be different from that of an advanced athlete. Second, your goals matter. Are you aiming for strength, endurance, or muscle hypertrophy? Each goal may require a different approach. Let's start with beginners. If you're just starting out, it's essential to focus on proper form and gradual progression. If you're just starting out, aim for 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 repetitions each day. As your strength improves, gradually increase the volume. A simple routine could include 3 sets of 3 pull-ups in the morning, followed by 2 sets of 5 pull-ups in the evening. For those with more experience, the challenge can be ramped up. To build muscle, try performing 4 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps every other day, ensuring you give your muscles enough time to recover. To prevent plateaus, incorporate periodization into your routine. Mix up grips, add weight, and challenge yourself. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body. Push yourself, but don't overdo it. Muscle growth happens during recovery too. Ensure you're getting enough rest and proper nutrition, and consider incorporating other exercises to complement your pull-up routine. So, there you have it. How many pull-ups a day you should do to build muscle mass. The key is finding the right balance between your fitness level and goals. Sharing your experiences makes for an exciting read. Also, don't forget to explore more videos on my channel. Links are right on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share it, hit the like button, and subscribe. Catch you soon.